Hey guys, there's a saying that you can't square the circle. What it ultimately means is that for a given circle, using only a straight edge, a compass, and a pencil, you can't find the corresponding square with the same area. This goes way back in history. Even Euclid, with his 13 books of geometry, was never able to square the circle. And they were right. It is impossible to do with just those three tools. But with modern day technology, at least we can see what it would look like. Ultimately, we're trying to make the area of a square equal to the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and the area of a square is s squared. In order to find the square that has the same area as a circle, we want to figure out what is s in terms of r. So we'll square root both sides. And then we can split the roots here. Square root of s squared is s, and square root of r squared is r. So we have s is equal to square root of pi r. We can plug that in here. S is equal to square root of pi times r. And now you can see that s changes as r changes. And now we got to draw our square. So I think the easiest way to visualize this would be to say y is greater than, say, -1. And then we want to restrict this region to make our square. We want the x to go from -s less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And then for the y, we'll say 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to s. And now we have our square and our circle that have the exact same area. So that's what it looks like. So now we can square the circle. How exciting.